friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a banana milkshake. For this easy recipe, we just need a banana, ice cream, and milk. And we also need a blender to blend it all together. So I'm going to start by peeling a banana and adding it to the blender. Just break it into several pieces. So for one banana, I'm going to add 3 scoops of ice cream. And 1/4 cup of milk. And now let's blend it until smooth. Fully blended, and our milkshake is ready. So just pour it into a glass and try it. So this is a pretty small portion. If you want it to be more, you just feel free to double everything. And you'd use 2 bananas and 6 scoops of ice cream and 1/2 cup of milk. But this is a perfect serving. This is very rich, very delicious. And now let's try it. It's so good. It tastes as good as it looks. It's so full of banana flavor and it goes so well with ice cream. You're going to love this banana milkshake. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!